Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm gonna show you the quality video on CapCut, so you can use this quality tips for me in your edits. So here, after you import your videos and maybe edit your videos, just go to adjust, and here go with this setting. So set the brightness into -10, and then the contrast into +10, and then next the saturations and exposure, set it into 5. Okay, and then click on the sharpen and set it into 100, and next add some vignette effects, just 5, like this. Oops. Okay, and then next go to grabs, and here made the video a little darker, like this, for example. Okay, I'm going to reset. Okay, like this, and then go back, and here click on the check icon and adjust. You need to make sure that the adjustment is for all of the clips until the end, like this. And then next click on overlay and go to stock videos and choose a wide image, this one. Just click on add and adjust the size like this, and then go to splice, overlay, and set the splice into 55, like this. Click on the check icon and then set it into all of the clips until the end, like this. And next you can click on adjust and set the contrast into 9. Oops. And then the saturations into -7, like this. Click on the check icon, and here you are done with this quality video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, subscribe, and also click thanks below. Thank you. Bye.